For recording your payments to suppliers, we have the Disbursements module found in the Receiving section. The module has two main parts to it. Once you select a supplier, all of your payables will appear on the left with the amounts in the Balance column. You will enter how much you paid for each reference under the Paid column. Then on the right is where you will record your payment details. You could either pay in cash, check, or both at the same time. But you have to make sure that the total paid on the left will be equal to your total payment on the right. You can also record the discount on the discount field if you were given a discount. If you are paying a supplier without a specific reference, simply check this field and enter the payment details on the right. For recording customer collections, we have the Cash Receipts module found in the Releasing section. It works exactly the same with the Disbursements module, but instead we have the receivables on the left and the collection details on the right.